In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return in ChatGPT without entering 2026 full guide. If you've ever typed a thought and watched it send before you were finished, this guide will fix that. On desktop browsers and native computer apps, pressing enter or return usually submits your message immediately. To write on a new line without sending, hold the shift key and then press enter. You'll see the cursor drop to a fresh line in the same message, and the input box will grow taller. This lets you keep drafting comfortably without worrying about accidental submissions. Using that simple move unlocks cleaner, more logical prompts. Instead of a single wall of text, break your message into clear sections with line breaks. Start with a short persona or role definition. Use another line break to add the core problem or context. Then another line break for any constraints or exclusions you want the model to respect. These structured multi-paragraph prompts are easier to scan and often produce more accurate, controllable results. If your keyboard layout or system remaps the shift key, there are alternative shortcuts that create the same clean line break. On some Mac setups, Option plus return or Control plus return will insert a new line without sending. On certain Windows configurations, Control plus Enter can do the job as well. Keep in mind that exact behavior can vary by app window and OS profile, so test in your typing field before committing to a long message. On mobile devices, the behavior is different but actually simpler. In the official ChatGPT app on iOS and Android, tapping the virtual return or enter key adds a new line by default. It does not send your message. That makes spacing out paragraphs straightforward on a touchscreen. When you've finished your draft and you're ready to send, tap the up arrow send icon at the right edge of the input bar to transmit your message. Before you submit, take a moment to review everything in the same message box. Read it top to bottom, tighten sentences, fix typos, and confirm that any code blocks, links, or emphasized phrases look right. This is also the perfect time to double check that your constraints and instructions are unambiguous and each lives on its own line so nothing gets buried. When your layout is set and your message is ready, release any modifier keys and press enter alone to send. That's it. With Shift plus Enter on desktop and the built-in return behavior. On mobile, you can control your typing pace, keep ideas organized, and avoid premature submissions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.